Hey everybody, I have a DIY pet stain and odor remover recipe for you. Even pets who are house trained may have an occasional accident, so get odor free in no time. You'll need 1 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 15 drops lemon essential oil, 5 drops Eucalyptus Radiata essential oil, 5 drops purification essential oil blend, and 2 cups baking soda, which is optional for tough or already dried stains. Here's the instructions. If your dog recently left a puddle on the living room carpet, use these instructions for removing fresh stains. 1, add the essential oils to the salt and mix well. 2, in a spray bottle, combine the salt mixture, apple cider vinegar, add water. Mix thoroughly until salt has dissolved. 3, blot the accident to remove excess moisture. 4, shake the bottle, then spray the stained area generously until wet. 5, let sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 6, using an old towel or rag, soak up the mixture by blotting until moisture is removed. Do not apply heat to aid the drying process, as it can cause unwanted odors and stains to set permanently. When you find an older, smellier set-in stain, use the instructions above to make the DIY pet odor eliminator, and then 1, spray the area generously until wet. 2, sprinkle baking soda over the stain and leave for 24 hours or until dry. The baking soda will absorb the stain during this time. Once dry, scoop up as much baking soda as possible and discard, then vacuum thoroughly to remove any remaining powder. If you know me well, you know I don't cook, so if any DIY has too many directions, I won't do it. No worries with this pet odor eliminator. It's so easy, even I can do it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you want to learn more about Young Living essential oils, head over to www.oilforlifeforever.com.